You have two attachments on your pocket knife. This one with the flat end is a bottle opener. We're not using a bottle opener. We're using a can opener with the pointy tip on it. When opening a can with a can opener on your pocket knife, you take this heel and you hook it on the outside of the can. You put the point sharp edge on the inside of the can and you pry down into the can. And then you walk it around, taking a cut each time when you do it. And you have to walk it all the way around like this. And this is how the can opener on your pocket knife works. Gotta make sure you don't leave any pieces attached because it'll be hard to get the lid off then. And that's how you open a can with your can opener on your pocket knife.